back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you something amazing, something good that you like to enjoy. Okay, now I'm going to show you a great trading strategies on BNB USDT coin. Okay, let's do the analysis together and see. All right, I'm going to show you these strategies using this same Polaris band. Okay, so before I go into that deeply, if this is something you want to hear, this is something you've been looking for, this is something you want to follow up with, subscribe to my channel and just hit the like buttons and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you as soon as possible. So you can see this is how far the Binance coin has moved. You can see the 1 day. You can see, wow, it was even at 222, 222, 221, sorry. Let's see the 4 hours. Wow, it was 219. Okay, let's go back to our 15 minutes. This is where it is currently. All right, so the only thing you really need to do here is to come down to this place. You see this EMA, click on that ball. You can see it. Now you check each time. You can see this is the upper band, this is the middle band, and this is the lower band, okay, of the Polaris. Now your target on this Polaris is that whenever the negative sign hits the negative candle, which is the red one, hits the lower band, that is when you should go to the trade. Okay, now you watch. I didn't mean you go to the trade here. Now you can see the red band. Don't worry about this one that is coming down, it will still go up. You can see, which is the red band here. You can see the red band here. Okay, you can see the red band here. Now you check, it has what? It has hit the lower band of the Polaris. You can see, okay, if you stick your trade here, which is at about almost, let's say, 211, you can see how it inclines, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going to 213. That's a good beginning. It's a nice profit you will make, a very nice one. Okay, a very nice one that you make. Now you check from here, keep patient, keep being patient, keep being patient, and go to this place. Sometimes you can notice a sharp move high, okay, and a sharp low down. What would you do on this case? Okay, on this case now, I don't know, you have buy from this very place, and it gets starting sharp and come down with the speed. What will you do? Okay, on this occasion, always set your limit and tell Binance, sell it for me when it's so volume, and you can always also tell Binance, buy it for me when it is at so level. Okay, I'll show you how to do that in my next video, how you can set your limit to sell and limit to buy. Okay, so you can see this now. You can see this now. You can agree with me that this one is only resetting. If you join this trade, you can also make a profit, but advisable, for the benefit of doubt, you can leave it for now until when it resets again, then you join. Okay, use this very method and believe me, you will make a lot of profit from this very place. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is a strategy on BNB. Follow it up and you will make a huge profit. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share so that a lot of people will also benefit from this knowledge. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.